You wake up in the year 2042. Life is abundant. Our homes, our cities, they anticipate, they adapt, making life smoother. For you, it was just another Tuesday. You ask your humanoid robot Alfred to order an autonomous taxi. He hands you your morning coffee, freshly brewed. Once you arrive at work, you get engrossed in your project. But just another Tuesday had other plans. Back at your building, an unexpected district power surge, a rare but catastrophic event, the kind that fries every piece of unprotected electronics in its path. You, miles away at work, are completely unaware. But your home isn't helpless. Alfred assesses the damage. He immediately reports to Maya, your insurance company's AI. Maya doesn't just log problems, she initiates solutions. The system instantly processes the claim and orders electronic replacements. Delivery drones are immediately dispatched with replacements and are sent to your home, arriving just moments later. No forms, no calls, no waiting for you to even discover there was a problem. You return home in the evening, looking slightly puzzled at the presence of some repair drones outside your building. You step inside to find normalcy. New devices already installed and configured. Alfred had overseen the entire process, coordinated and fulfilled by Maya. No frantic calls to a helpline, no stacks of receipts, no waiting weeks for reimbursements. Just a seamless, proactive solution. The personalized robot butler is almost here, and the AI insurance is here. It's already built and improving. Meet Lemonade Insurance. Investing in Lemonade could be seen as investing in a company actively building that more efficient, transparent, and customer-centric future we saw in the story. If you're looking for companies that aren't just participating in the present, but actively architecting the future, Lemonade offers a compelling glimpse. So what do you think? Is this the direction insurance is and should be heading? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you like this peek into 2042, leave a like and subscribe for more peeks into the future. If you want to learn more about Lemonade Insurance and what it might actually look like to invest in the company, then watch this deep dive here.